Hey guys, what is going on? I hope you're all doing well, and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'll be explaining to you guys how you can get Captain Rex in Star Wars Galaxy of Heroes by EA, so let's get right into it. First and foremost, to unlock characters, what you will actually need are character shards, and let me demonstrate what they are. If I go into my collection, as you can see here, through with all of my characters, and especially those that aren't unlocked, the number below them that you see is representing the amount of shards I have. To unlock these characters, I need to reach the right-hand side number. So for Saw Gerrera, it would be 25. For Clone Wars Chewbacca, it would be 50. For Vader, it would be 80, etc., etc. Now, the way that you actually earn these shards, there are several different ways, and this all applies for Captain Rex as well. I cannot find him here, however, I do not want to search, so let's just put that aside. But yeah, there are a few ways. If you go into the store, you can buy these data cards as well as these packs, data packs and data cards, which might contain shards and or characters, or you can get characters through the Chromium Mega Packs, either the light side or the dark side, and that will unlock them pretty much instantly without the needs for shards. Now, other ways to earn shards are light side and dark side battles. If I go into light side, as you can see, this stage has 6 battles. If I complete all of them, I'll unlock hard, and for each battle I complete in hard, I get a character shard for the first time I completed. And if I complete one in 3-star rating, I can then multi-sim it on and on until I get a character shard. Since there is a lower chance afterwards, once you beat it on hard for the first time, you might get it afterwards as well. You can also do Cantina battles, Arena Table, and Galaxy Wars. That will earn you shards as well. But yeah, just keep playing and you should earn him sooner or later. But yeah, that's been it, guys. I hope you enjoyed, and I'll be seeing you guys next time.